y'all, it's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I am back with 52 Weeks of Favorite Photos hosted by Miranda Weber over at My Scrappy Life. I am also combining this with scrap timber. Today's prompt is minimalist. Y'all know that's going to be a hard one for me. Also combining this with How to Kill a Kit with Style. I'm still using this Adore Me collection by Close to My Heart. And I think that's it. Okay, so here is my photo. This is one of my favorites. This was my oldest grandbaby, Kaylee Boo, and she was out. Look at her. I don't know if you can see her dirty little face. She had and snacked, and she was just out. So since I'm having to do a minimalist design, y'all know, which is hard for me because I like to add and add and add and add and add. I have these two pieces of paper. I'm going to map my photo on this one. I'll go ahead and do that. And then I just have this strip of paper, a piece of white cardstock. I have my star stencil and some ink. And to add just a little bit of pattern. And then I have this moon and a cloud. I have this that was made from a swap. I don't know who made it. It's not on there. And then I have this little over the moon that was made in a swap by Linda Ekstrom. Linda E. And then I have this little piece that was sent in a swap, and I think it's like a piece of trim or ribbon or something. I don't know. It's almost like paper on the back. I don't know. But anyways, I thought, you know what? I'm going to use it up. Haven't really brought the blues into doing this yet. So, I'll do it now. But I'm going to keep this really easy and simple. I am going to add a little bit of stars. And I'm using Tumbled Glass Distress Oxide because it's very light in color. So, let's see here. Maybe start over here. I'm just going to be really easy with it. You can see I still have some of my gold paste on there because I'm telling y'all, I tell y'all all the time, wash it as soon as you use it. Do not let it sit around and dry because you will not get it off. So, that's where I'm at. I think I'm going to run them off the edge just a little bit here. And then maybe down here too. And I don't even know if it's showing up on camera because, like I said, it is very light, but that's the way I wanted it. Just want to put a few up here and maybe one down here. Okay. There's that. That is Distress Oxide. I'm not going to worry about washing it right now because this is water reactive, so it washes right off, even if it sits there for days. I am getting down. I think I have 2 full sheets left of this collection, and there was a lot. There was probably 20-something sheets. And a bunch of little pieces. So I'm thinking that I may end up, when all is said and done, creating some cards or something like that out of it just to get it used up. So I don't have any left. Because I have really used this collection. Okay, there's that. And then I'm just going to glue this on. I feel like this is probably some sort of trim because you can see where they've cut it off of another piece of it. Just going to put this on here. I just thought it's so cute. There's that. Add this little pillow. Ooh. And I have this little moon in the clouds. I think I'll do it like that. Have the cloud on some foam. I feel like even with doing minimalist here, it's still a lot. Because y'all know, I have trouble stopping adding things. Okay. I'm just going to put this right here. And then I will probably just put that it's Kaylee, and if I can find a date on it, I will add that. But that's going to be my minimalist layout. Can you see the little stars? You know, I feel like it just needs one more thing. One more thing. I'm gonna use my gold shimmer brush and just add just a tiny, just tap a little bit, just so it has a little bit of sparkle for the sky, since it's supposed to be stars and stuff. Let me get something to tap it with. If you will tap it, these little pins and stuff like that, even a paintbrush, if you'll tap it with something that's heavier, like it'll give you those little bitty fine sparkles versus the big old drops that comes out. It'll give you a little tiny mist. Now my hand is glittering. Okay, let's see if I can make it show up. I don't know if you can see it, but it has a little shimmer to it. Okay, so that's going to be my layout. I'm happy with that. Do got a few little sparkles that got on the photo, so I'll just wipe those off. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not yet a subscriber, I would love to have you come back and hang out with me. I hope that you guys enjoyed this and that it inspired you. And until next time, bye y'all.